Here we go. We have a question, reverse words. So it's a easy string question. You have given a string and our task is to return or reverse the string without reversing its individual words. So words are separated by a dot. First we have this word I. So this I word comes last. Then we have like. So then like this. So that's how we have to reverse the words without reversing its individual word. So that's about the question. Question is pretty self-explanatory as we can see in the sample test case. So let's directly build the approach. So I have taken this test case and the answer is this. So let's convert this. First we have this A. So we have to check whether the current character is a dot or no. So this current character is not a dot. So we have A, then we have B, then we have C. Then our next character is a dot. So we have a condition. If a character is a dot, so we don't have to go further. Else we have this temporary string. Instead of string I will use string builder because it's pretty fast and I will not gonna separate by dot uh, because it will create an extra space of an array. So I will just iterate and have an answer. This answer represent this. Initially our answer is empty. So we have iterated in a single word. Our word is ABC. So as you can see, ABC comes last. So whenever we encounter a new word, the new word should come on the first place. So first we have this word. So this first word comes on the first place. So I will update my answer and answer represents and answer will update. First we have the current word, then we have to append or add a dot in between, then our remaining answer. Remaining means the previously traversed string or words. The previously traversed string or words should come last. So initially we have ABC, then we have a, then with ABC I have a dot. So answer updated to ABC and a dot. Now I will erase my temporary variable. We have a dot, so I will stop here. Next we have DEF. So after DEF we have a dot. So as you can see, at the end we have a dot. So we have a word. So this word should come first. The temporary, the current word that we have just traversed. So the word should come first. And our answer contains ABC and a dot. So our answer contains ABC and a dot. We have to add a dot and temporary. Temporary means DEF. So this is our current answer. Next, I will erase my temporary variable. Next, we have G and H. So we have completed a word. So after completing this word, the temporary, the current word that we have just traversed should come first. So this whole string is a answer initially. Next we have to append or add or insert a dot in between, then a temporary. So temporary GH and our answer contain this. So as you can see, we have reversed the whole string. First we have ABC, this come last. Next we have DEF, and next we have GH. But we have an extra dot here. We have an extra dot here. So as you know, we have a pre-built function of substring. So we have 0 and this is n minus 1 and we have of length n. So what will I do? I will substring. I will take the substring from the answer starting from 0 till n. n this n this n is excluding, actually its length is n, its length is n, the initial length is n. So we have nth value as this dot. So if I do this, so it will just ignore the last character, this nth word. So I can take this remaining substring. So this represent our expected answer. So that's how this algorithm will work. Let's code this. So we have substring n and I. While this condition holds, if the current character is a dot, we will just iterate and move to the next iteration. And if this is a dot, we don't have to go further. That's it. Then we have a word, we have a character, a alphabet. Till we have not encountered a dot, we have to take the word, we have to take the alphabet. So I am adding in the string builder, we have to use this append function, so it will add the word afterwards. So first let's take this example. We have pqr, first we have p, then we have pq, then we have pqr. So on the first iteration, temporary variable holds pqr. We have to move forward, and after iterating the word, we have to insert this word, we have to insert this word on the first location on the left hand side. So first we have pqr, uh, pqr comes first, then we have mno. So mno comes on the 0th location, and we have to also add a dot. So we have inserted on the 0th position. Then we have to first convert this string builder into a string and use the substring function provided by string. So initially the string length is this, and after this we have an extra dot on the right side, on the ending side. So we have to just ignore the dot and take the substring from 0 till n. N is the excluding part, n is the excluding index. So let's give it a try, and let's talk about time and space complexity. The time complexity is order of n. We have to iterate on each and every word or each and every character, and the space complexity is order of n, because we have to build a substring separately to return the substring. There's another approach where we can use a split function on the given input, but it will create an extra space. That's why I have done this question via this approach. So if you guys have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section. Code is given in the description box. Give this video a thumbs up to motivate me. Subscribe to this channel, and thank you all for watching.